welcome to the Forex Expo 2021. I'm with Mohammed for the NCM Investments. Could you please tell me what is the best features for your company?
Hi, welcome. This is Muhammad Aleem from NCM Investments. Well, the best features we are providing at the moment in this market, like the best and tight spreads, and the best payment solutions, which is, we can say that the fund security is very much important at the moment, because we are providing the local bank account to our with our company. So the investors, those who come, then they feel that okay, their funds are locally situated, and we are also regulated with the multinational organizations. And the best part of our company is like the fast executions, the deposits and the withdrawals are very quick and easy.
Okay.
The payment solutions, you can transfer funds by bank accounts using any sort of card, Visa, Master, etc. And we have different branches in the different regions, I must say. And these regions are, and we made Dubai is a hub at the moment. And this place, we are continuing to improve the business. And after post-pandemic, we must say that we are just increasing the business. And we look into that it is going to be continuing for coming, a couple of months, inshallah.
And what countries do you usually work with? Where are your clients based? Doing successful business with them?
At the moment, I must say that Dubai is, for everyone is a home country now, of course. So Dubai, we have most of the investors from Asia, Europe, and we are getting new business starting from Russia also. Apart from this one, we are located into the other regions which can be, very accessible for the other investors like Jordan, Turkey, and Egypt. Okay, and our head office is in Abu Dhabi as well as in Kuwait. So we are multilingual, you can say, the company where the many different region people, those who have different languages, so that would be more easy and accessible for them. Arabic, English, Chinese, anyhow, we are going to start in the next next, we can say, the month, I must say. So we're going to start in the China again, especially in Hong Kong actually. So we are expanding post-pandemic, so and this will be a successful, and I wish the other brokers and other competitors that it's the best time to recover ourselves and just forget the things which we have done in the pandemic. But anyhow, this is a good opportunity, and I must say that this expo is going to be running in the different countries, and we must participate and look into in the future forward again.
Okay, thank you. What would you say to allure people to invest with your company to make them feel safe? What kind of things do you provide for them to feel safe to invest with your company?
Well, this is the best part you have asked me now, and I am really happy to announce that this is the best part in our company, that we are providing the local bank account. So the providing local bank account means the investor must feel safe that okay, his funds are getting deposited in his own place, okay, and which makes them more secure, just because whenever he would like to withdraw the money, he can withdraw the money within a couple of hours, I must say.
Wow, a
Yes,
couple of hours.
couple of hours.
That's excellent.
This is the best part I would like to re-announce again to our investors and those who are willing to invest, because this provision is not provided by other brokers at the moment are available here, and this makes us more comfortable, and this makes us happy, and also to be proud to announce to our investors and our clients that they feel more secure, and they're happy to work with us, and I must say that they're going to refer to other also. So let them who are working with other brokers, they say that okay, come back to us, here we have more security of our funds with this NCM Investments. So this makes more comfortability and also the more satisfactory, and this makes us happy again in the company.
Well, thank you so much for all the information, Mohammed from NMC Investments.